Hello everybody, this is Tots Locks. Welcome to my channel and welcome to vlog 105 of the hashtag 365 hour series. Today's lock is a SQUIRE number 33. Just a little lock, but you know on this channel I like to give all locks some love. So the trouble is I'm having is tension in this one and still getting to the pins. So I'm just trying to figure it out. I've been trying to pick this for about 10 minutes for different tools, but the keyway is proving a bit of a nightmare. Movement on the core then. And there we go. We got it open. It wasn't really a difficult pick per se. It was more the keyway and the smallness of it. But yeah, SQUIRE number 33, SPP'd. Happy I got it SPP'd. I've been trying with all sorts, to be honest. I'm glad we got it with the SPP in the end. But yeah, that's it from me today. Vlog 105 complete. Another one bites the dust. Thank you all for watching. See you later.